So today we're going to talk about a 5-image story, and I'm going to talk about 5 different pictures within meteorology. So in the first picture we're going to talk about the direction of the wind. And this picture shows air and clouds moving in one direction, as you can tell from the arrow. And it is reported by direction from which it originates. And for example, a north wind blows from the north to the south. It is reported using cardinal directions. The next picture we're going to talk about is the Coriolis effect. And this picture shows air and forces deflecting around the globe. And this effect is the defective force of Earth's rotation on all free-moving objects, including the atmosphere and oceans. And we know that deflection is to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. In this picture, we're going to talk about why and where does air rise. We know that water vapor condenses and clouds form if air cools to a saturation point. We also know that cooler surroundings are on the outside, as we can see in the picture. We can also see that warm air is less dense, making it rise. And warm air rises due to the buoyant air around it, and it rises upward. In this next picture, we're going to talk about why and where does air descend. As you can tell from the picture, cool air descends or sinks. Cooler air is more dense, so it sinks. It descends to the ground. In this last picture, we're going to talk about how the general circulation impacts the climate in certain areas. We know that winds influence the climate because they bring weather in from an upward area. The pressure zones, whether they're high or low, are related to air circulation and are very important in determining climate in certain areas.